How about a high-tech Japanese farm growing strawberries by the hundreds of thousands? This place was absolutely over the top, sparkling clean, concrete floors. Why? Because they wanted everybody from the community to come there and pick their own strawberries, and particularly children. They love it when children come, pick their own strawberries, and enjoy how wonderful real quality food is. They keep the temperature at 24 degrees Celsius. You pick your own strawberries. They have 3 different kinds. You get to sit there and eat them and enjoy them, and they are so juicy and so sweet and so delicious, and everything is completely computer controlled, including the toilets, which are spectacular. Nothing like going to a Japanese farm. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. Remember, like and subscribe and pass this on to other people. Let's change the world together. And remember my app, 2 Second Lean Play. It's all free and it has all my books in the audio version as well as some other great authors. You're really going to enjoy it.
Brought to you by paulakers.net, where you'll find all Paul's books and lean resources for free, including the new 2 Second Lean Play app, like Audible, but free. To listen to Lean is Lean on the 2 Second Lean Play app at paulakers.net.